Hello students, today we are going to start with our GK Planet book. Lesson number 14, Sports in Africa, at page number 25.
A sports person is one who is involved in sports like cricket, badminton, swimming, boxing, etc. A sports person can be a man or a woman
who is trained to compete in a particular sport.
Let's have a look on some different sports.
The first is badminton, an indoor game
with rackets in which a shuttlecock is hit back and forth across a net. The next is boxing, a combat sport in which two players throw punches at each other.
The next one is cricket, a team sport played on rectangular pitch in the center of large grass oval.
Two batters protect their wickets while the fielding team try to get them out. Next is tennis, a court sport where players use a stringed racket to hit a ball to each other over a net. Let's have a look on some Indian sports personalities. First one is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is an Indian former international cricketer and also a former captain of Indian national cricket team.
The next one is Sania Mirza. She is an Indian professional tennis
player. She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. The next picture is of Mary Kom. Mary Kom is an Indian Olympic boxer. She is the only female boxer who has won 8 World Championship medals.
The next one is Saina Nehwal. She is an Indian professional
badminton single player. She has won over 24 international titles.
As we have discussed about sports personalities of India, let's have a look on some different sports personalities of Africa. Before starting it, come to the page number 25. Let's discuss some difficult words of this chapter. The first word is several, means different. Next one is rugby, a form of football. Next is popular, famous. And the last one is personalities, famous persons. Now let's start reading from top of the page. Do you know that football is the most popular game in several African countries?
In fact, it is the national game of Uganda. Apart from football,
the two most popular sports in Africa are rugby and cycling.
As football is the most popular game in several African countries, it is the national game of Uganda. Rugby and cycling are the two most popular sports. Let's discuss about them.
Rugby is a football game played with an oval ball by two teams of 15 players. Cycling is also called bicycling. It is a competitive physical activity using bicycles. Now let's have a look on some different sports personalities of Africa. The first one is Maria Mutala. She was born on 27 October 1972. She is a retired female track and field athlete who is specialized in 800 meters running event. She is 3 times world champion and 1 time Olympic champion in this running event. She is the only athlete ever to have won Olympic, World Indoor and Commonwealth Games, etc.
Next one is Azuma Nelson. He is a professional boxer.
He was a two-weight world champion. He also challenged once for the unified WBC and IBF lightweight titles in 1990. He is currently ranked as 31st greatest pound boxer of all the time.
Next one is Didier Drogba. He is a retired professional footballer who played as a striker. He is the all-time top scorer and former captain of Ivory Coast national team.
He was named African Footballer of the Year twice, winning in 2006 and 2009. In 2018, he became the Vice President of the international organization Peace and Sport. The next one is Ernie Els. He is a South African professional golfer. He won the World Match Play Championship 7 times. He has a golf course design business, a charitable foundation which supports golf among underprivileged youth in South Africa. The next one is AB de Villiers. He is a South African cricketer. He is also an attacking batsman. He was named as the ICC ODI International Player of the Year. He holds the record for the fastest ODI century in just 31 balls. He also recorded the fastest ODI 50 and 150.
The next one is Chadley Claw. He is South African competitive swimmer.
He won gold in the 200-meter butterfly and silver in 100-meter butterfly in 2012. He has won overall swimming World Cup 4 times, that is in 2011, 2013, 2014 and 2017. As we have discussed about sports personalities of Africa, now let's have a recall. The first one is Maria Mutala, a field athlete.
The next one is Azuma Nelson, a professional boxer. The next one is Didier Drogba, a professional footballer. Next one is Ernie Els, professional golfer.
The next is AB de Villiers, a South African cricketer.
And the last one is Chadley Claw, a South African swimmer.
I hope students, you all have understood this chapter. Do the exercise and learn it, and do the worksheet given in the SNAP homework. Thank you.